Here is a short video about how the electrode of the Aqua Master Tools P100 PHEC meter gets replaced. The electrode is easy to replace when it's worn or broken. Remove the new electrode from the packaging. Check whether the sealing rubber is properly in its place. Remove the cap. Unscrew the sealing ring of the electrode. Remove the electrode carefully. The electrode has two cutouts. They should be on the side of the meter. Put the electrode back carefully. Check all around the meter whether the sealing rubber is in its place so water does not get into the meter. Place the sealing ring back in its place. Tighten it securely. Replace the cap. The electrode replacement is now complete. The meter should now be recalibrated. After calibration, the meter is ready for use.